Redmi's new smartphone with a 400-megapixel DSLR-like camera and a powerful 6,000 mAh battery. Redmi is set to make waves in the smartphone market with its latest offering, the Note 14 Pro Max. This device promises to combine cutting-edge technology, premium design, and exceptional performance, all while maintaining Redmi's reputation for affordability. Let's explore the standout features of this upcoming smartphone. The Note 14 Pro Max boasts a 6.78-inch Super AMOLED display with a 144 Hz refresh rate. This high refresh rate ensures smoother scrolling, better gaming experiences, and enhanced multimedia performance. The Super AMOLED technology provides vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast, making it perfect for video streaming, gaming, and everyday use. One of the key highlights of the Note 14 Pro Max is its groundbreaking camera system. The device features a 400-megapixel main camera, promising DSLR-level image quality. This high-resolution sensor is expected to excel in low-light conditions and capture stunning details. On the front, the 102-megapixel selfie camera sets a new benchmark for smartphone photography, delivering exceptional selfies and video calls. The Note 14 Pro Max is equipped with a massive 6,000 mAh battery, ensuring extended usage without frequent charging. This robust battery capacity is ideal for users who rely heavily on their smartphones throughout the day. Whether gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the device promises reliable battery performance. The smartphone comes with 8 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient app performance. Paired with 128 GB of internal storage, users have ample space for apps, photos, videos, and files. This configuration makes the device a practical choice for those who need reliable performance and storage. Redmi has paid special attention to the design of the Note 14 Pro Max. The large display seamlessly integrates into the device's body, offering a sleek and premium look. The sophisticated design ensures the phone feels as good as it performs. The combination of high RAM, a powerful processor, and the 144 Hz display ensures a seamless user experience. The device is built to handle everyday tasks and demanding applications with ease, making it suitable for both casual users and tech enthusiasts. The Note 14 Pro Max's Super AMOLED display and high refresh rate make it an excellent choice for entertainment. Users can enjoy immersive gaming, video streaming, and social media browsing with stunning visuals and smooth interactions. The Note 14 Pro Max is expected to target the upper mid-range segment, offering premium features at a competitive price. With its advanced specifications and Redmi's value-driven pricing, the device could appeal to users looking for flagship features without a hefty price tag. Industry sources suggest the Note 14 Pro Max could launch between March and April 2025. This timeline gives Redmi the opportunity to incorporate the latest technology while maintaining its competitive edge. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Max promises to redefine expectations in its price segment. With features like a 400-megapixel camera, 6,000 mAh battery, and 144 Hz Super AMOLED display, the device could be a game-changer in the smartphone market. However, potential buyers should wait for official confirmation of features and real-world reviews before making a purchase decision.